What's up, everybody? This is Sunko, and today I'm back. Today is 2022. What is it? February 7th. Oh, it's been a long day, right? I've been really busy again. Uh, it's always busy. But I gotta do what I gotta do, and since I have some money to invest in stock. I'm going to analyze some of the companies and some of the companies put on my watch list and see if I can grab the chance. There are a lot of opportunities for all these days, and like some of stocks are now downtrend, and some of our like has been downside for a long time that it's like the half of mm, it's like half of how can I say the highest point. So hmm, so let's go through articles one by one, okay? Hmm. First we have is Yahoo Finance, hmm, and Market Beats and Zach's Investments. Few days ago, I looked through some of the trend of companies, and they were pretty much all reddish. But wow! Some are really greenish these days. Oh gosh, Unity Software went up by 17%. It's a big increase. It looks like it's coming back again to what it was. Uh, well, earnings. What's funny thing about Udemy Unity Software is that its earnings is decreasing, but then revenue is increasing. So people are looking at it as potential wise instead of looking at real money coming in. Hmm. So first target estimate is 173 points. Uh, it went all the way up to 191 uh at one point, but now it's 108. So it's still got potential though. Hmm. Look, what else do we have? Uh, Zoom is up by 4% too. Airbnb is up by 4%. Pinterest is up by 11%. It was it had a big decrease recently. Just yesterday or a few days ago, it went down by like 8% or so. It looks like that's the reason why it's up by 11% today. Hmm. See, its revenue is increasing too. Uh, okay. Today, instead of reading through articles, I'm going to pick some of the companies that I think I have to pay attention to. Okay. Hmm. There are a lot of companies on my watch list already, and let's look at it one by one. Okay. On my portfolio, there's a good one, my watch list, and looking for buy timing. 111 looking for buy timing. Good one. Let's go to good one first. Okay. Hmm. Okay, that's it. 11 companies on my watch list, and let's look at it one by one. First one that I'm going to look at is Pout Interactive. Hmm. See, its earning is really, really small, but then its revenue is really high. Mm, Pout Interactive. How many companies on my watch list? Was it there are 31 companies on my watch list. Okay. Pout Interactive. Mm, and we have Upstart Holdings. We have Upstart Holdings. We have PayPal Holdings. Okay. We have Viva Systems. We have Viva Systems and Marca Libre. We have Marca Libre. Hmm. And the Children's Place Inc. Hmm. Meta Platforms. Meta Platforms. And we have Salesforce. We have Salesforce.com. Zscaler. Mm-hmm. Zscaler. We got Unity Software. Airbnb. Mm. Zoom Video Communications. CrowdStrike Holdings. We have O2B. Fubo TV Inc. Skills. Inc. Etsy. Mm. Three growth stocks to buy before a big rally. Indiscriminate selling has taken its toll on quality stocks that aren't likely to remain beaten down for much longer. It's certainly no secret the past few weeks have been rough on the market. The S&P 500 is now down 6% from its early January high. It remains vulnerable to more selling following the mostly unfettered gains logged in 2020 and 2021. As the cliche goes, though, investors have thrown some babies out with the bathwater. That is to say, the profit taking has been rather indiscriminate, dragging down some stocks that didn't deserve such a drubbing. They'll bounce back, of course. Quality is always reflected in a stock's price. in the e-commerce arena, but its sheer size lends itself to mass merchandise. Listing of one-of-kind, handmade, and vintage goods just don't work well there. Consumers still want to buy these top show items online. Etsy has stepped into the sizable niche and taken over it. Pinterest is up by 11%. Popmatic. Emphasis Energy. Affirm Holdings. Wallbox. Mountain International. Manifest. Teladoc Health. Okay, let's read the articles instead because basically it's so simple. What I have to invest my money in is really simple. I mean, all the companies are already added on my watch list. All I have to do is use my money and invest my monies into it. It's the it's the only thing that I have to do at this point. Um, Why Apple should buy Peloton for nearly $15 billion, analyst. Alibaba SEC filing may signal SoftBank's plans to sell, Citi says. Dow rise is short new week, Bitcoin pops, Peloton soars, and what else is happening in the stock market today? What it means for investors, private equity, home price growth may return to normalcy, five economists and real estate pros predict. What will happen in the housing market in 2022? Goodbye easy money as hawkish central banks speed up rate hikes. What matters? A $251 billion market cap route teaches about investing. Big tech sports dizzying swings after meta meltdowns. Amazon beat. Amazon breaks record for one-day gain market cap. The John followed. Artificial intelligence stocks to buy and watch AI software market booms. Goldman veteran says he's never seen a market like it. A big tech trade is losing its luster. Rivian, Robinhood, Bumble, how some of 2021's biggest IPOs are faring. Bitcoin moves above $42,000 and Shiba Inu leads a surge in new tokens. Oh? Hello. There are two people watching this YouTube live. I don't know who that is, but now I know who that is. I'll look at the phone. I'll look at the phone after I'm finished with this YouTube live. I haven't seen the phone for a while, so okay. I'll take a look at it and see if I receive any phone call from anybody, and I'll answer that phone call as soon as possible. Sea Breeze. I don't know anyone whose name is Sea Breeze, but I'll take a look at it. Okay. Good. Yes. I agree. Wait a little bit. Wait a little bit. I cannot read Korean, okay? So, no, I cannot read Korean. I'll answer that question later once I give you a phone call. Just hold on for a sec. Hold on for a moment. Okay? I'll give you the call. Okay. Since we got only 12 minutes left, I'll just pick a few articles, maybe 5 or 6, and then read through every articles briefly because we got limited time. U.S. stock market liquidity abysmal, adding to volatility risk. With a turbulent Dow, what should you do with your 401k retirement account? U.S. inflation probably about to spike yet again. It could weak. Rate hikes are coming too slowly in Asia for some bond funds. U.S. stock futures poised for a flat open on Monday. These three stocks could be the next M&A target, says analyst. Chipmaker onsemi tops fourth quarter target sky higher. Elevated bond yields approach key milestone. SoftBank earnings set to show worsening of Masayoshi Son's Blizzard. The party's over for some AMC and GameStop investors, while luckier meme stock winners brace for a massive tax bill. Bitcoin will reach 200K in second half of 2022, FS Insight says. How long can Zuckerberg afford to bankroll the AR/VR market? Here's what the January barometer says about S&P 500's performance in 2022. Okay, enough of picking articles. So we'll read through articles fast, okay? Amazon breaks record for one-day gain in market cap. The jump followed the plunge in Facebook pair Meta shares, highlighting the divergence in fortunes among giant tech stocks. Okay. I cannot read this unless I subscribe this channel. Tech stocks have diverged this earnings season as investors subject results to greater scrutiny. Artificial intelligence stocks to buy and watch AI software market booms. Okay, artificial intelligence stocks are rarer than you might think. Many companies tout AI technology initiatives, machine learning, but there really are few, if any, public, pure play AI stocks. In general, look for a company using AI technology to improve products or gain a strategy edge. For many companies, gaining an edge with AI require ongoing investments in compute, networking, and other data center infrastructure. Venture capitalist Mark Anderson once observed how software is eating the world by remaking industries through automation. In the same way, artificial intelligence is expected to modernize software. AI and low-code, no-code tools are transforming software development, said the RBC Capital report in November. These efficiencies allow for rapid development with applications going from ideation to production in record times, said the RBC report. The tools will also enable continuous release cycles, said the report. The AI software market is expected to jump 21.3%. Sells Watson Health. Not every effort succeeds. IBM engineers sold off Watson Health to private equity firm Francisco Partners. The top AI stocks to buy spans chip makers, enterprise software companies, and technology giants that utilize AI tools in many applications. Think of cloud computing giant Amazon.com, Microsoft, and Alphabet's Google. Research other AI companies to watch include information technology services firms such as IBM, Accenture, and EPAM Systems. Palantir and IBM recently partnered to sell AI services. Accenture. Mm, EPIM Systems, Palantir. Wow, 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 Accenture. Its point is 347.50, which is really high. Accenture, and what else do we have? EPIM Systems. It's on my watch list already. What else do we have? Palantir. No, it's not on my watch list yet. But it's on my watch list now. Oman commodity veteran says he's never seen a market like it. The closely followed head of commodities research at Goldman Sachs Group says he's never seen commodity market pricing the shortages they are right now. Most read from Bloomberg. I've been doing this 30 years and I've never seen markets like this. Curry said in a Bloomberg TV interview, "This is a market crisis. We're out of everything. I don't care if it's oil, gas, gold, coal, copper, aluminum, you name it. We're out of it." Futures curves in several markets are trading in a super backwardation, a structure that indicates traders are paying bumper premiums for immediate supply. The downward sloping shape in prices is generally taken to mean commodities are severely undersupplied. A big tech trade is losing its luster. These three stocks should be next M&A talks, says analyst. Playtika develops and publishes mobile casino games and boasts 35 million monthly active users. Its portfolio includes puzzle video games, Bash Friends, Bingo Blitz, Slotomania, and Caesar Slots, amongst others. Apart from distributing its games via its own proprietary platforms, it also does so through a variety of web and mobile platforms such as Apple, Facebook, and Google. Playtika entered the public markets in early 2021 and, like many, endured a tough 12 months. The past year has seen the stock shed 47% of its value. Onsemi tops fourth quarter targets guides higher. Chimega Onsemi among the top Wall Street targets for the fourth quarter. It also guided significantly higher for the current period. The Phoenix based company earned an adjusted $1.09 share on sales of $1.85 billion in the December quarter. Outlook for our business remains robust as evidenced by over 60% year-over-year growth in our design with finale driven by our highly differentiated intelligent power and sensing portfolio. OnSemi focused on secular megatrends, previously known as On Semiconductor. The company changed its name to OnSemi in August. OnSemi makes power and sensing chips for automotive, industrial, and other applications. The company is focusing on secular megatrends such as electric vehicles, advanced driver assistance systems, alternative energy, and industrial automation. OnSemi. Bitcoin became increasingly correlated with equities toward the end of the fourth quarter of last year and fell when faced with the prospect of central bank tightening. Inside sat in a note entitled Digital Assets in the Post-Cycle World. The correlation has become more pronounced, with Bitcoin and the wider crypto market now being strongly correlated, with technology stocks due to legacy market capital entering the fold. Still king for a wrote, adding that the crypto could reach $200,000 in the second half of the year. It also said that decentralized finance, non-fungible tokens, and other Web3 applications have driven massive growth of the Ethereum network. It's undervalued relative to cloud platforms, and Ether could reach $12,000 in 2022. The report said. Hmm. Okay, I'm going to finish this, but from now on, after finishing up on YouTube Live, I'll be looking at the chart of each companies and use actual money. Okay. All right. Tonight, this is it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay. Bye bye.